Good morning, it's a bright sunny day again here. I was camped right by the river. Along with some beautiful mountain views over there in Smithers, British Columbia. So I'm just getting on my way for the morning, heading up Highway 37. This highway here, the highway heading west from Prince George, about 725 kilometers of it is known as the Highway of Tears. And I'll chat about that later a bit. Beautiful morning, beautiful scenery. Did some free camping beside the river, along with 3 other people that were there from Quebec. Smithers, beautiful Smithers here. This is the end of July and still a little snow on the mountains. I don't think it ever leaves. Just a beautiful road here. Highway 37. Gorgeous. Wow. The mountains are closing in. Potholes are getting bigger. Steel deck bridge. I hate steel deck bridges. They grab the tires. Ah. Whew. I survived. Freaks me out. Here you can see the smoke and the smell. And just about 10 minutes ago I had to lock up the brakes because I almost hit a big black bear crossing the road. I'm in Watson Lake, Yukon. Just came across the border from British Columbia on the Stewart-Cassiar Highway. And this is what Watson Lake is famous for. It just goes on and on and on. from Mississippi, Louisiana. Gotta watch the steps so I don't fall. All sorts of ones here. Oh, see? Took too long of a step there. And there's just over and over again. It is quite interesting here. There must be 10,000 signs here or more. I'm not sure. Even more here. And this is where I came back down. The guy I've been riding with for the last day, Ken, he just took off from there. So I came up to Stuart Cassier today on the motorbike we did. I was leading, and it's been lots of bear sightings there. I saw like 5 different sightings of bears, one that has a mother and a couple young cubs. But today, I didn't get this on video, unfortunately. Came along down this, came around the corner down a straight stretch, and the road is very narrow, and there's no shoulder on it. And there was a huge black bear crossing the road. I was doing 90 kilometers an hour or something, just and hit the brakes, hit the front and back brake. Didn't want to do an ender, so I hit the back brake a bit more, skidded around all over, and it passed in front of me about 15 feet away. Gave me quite the look. So I'm hoping if I had actually hit that bear, but not too hard, it may have just made him a little mad and angry, and I would have been dinner. Not sure how it tastes though, but that's up to the bear, I think. The Highway of Tears stretches from Prince George, British Columbia to Prince Rupert, British Columbia. 725 kilometers approximately. I rode over half of it on this trip, and the shame of that is that since 1970, over 80 women have disappeared on that highway. Some found murdered, most just disappeared and never heard from again. Don't know exactly what has happened to them. It's the people who have this with their family. There's no closure, there's no anything. I have a friend just recently, missing her son, I believe, and he's been gone, I don't know if it's 3 weeks now, something like that. And the pain and anguish, I can't imagine what's happening and how people can work through that. So this Highway of Tears has been such a shame for Canada. hopefully it is some closure will be given to those families somehow. I'm not sure how it would be, but at least if you could get some closure, you might have that even a sense of relief.